We're gonna be doing an unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, 512 gigabytes. As you guys can see, it's been a big week for me. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright. So here's the box. So you're gonna take these little adhesive things off to get the box off, like that. Here it is. It's nice. Look at it. But this is what it looks like. The color is so nice. The sides, they're like a steel blue. I can see myself. Let's turn it on. Will it turn on? Oh. Hello. Activating it. Oh, USB-C cord. Doesn't come with the little charging block anymore to help the environment. Little tiny instructions and stuff. And that's it. And now I'm just gonna try to set up my phone. So I got this case for my phone. It's an OtterBox and it has a little MagSafe thing in for it too. And I also got a screen protector, which I need to put on first. So I'm backing it up now. I'm gonna pick this one. Or not backing it up, am I backing it up? So it's just restoring from my iCloud backup earlier. I guess maybe while that's doing that, I'm gonna put the screen protector on. So I got, what is this? Screen protector. It has like a little self-installation kit, which is pretty cool. It has like instructions here too. I'm gonna put the phone in. I did it. There's a cool hair stuck in there. It's like not a cool hair, it's like a dust. Alright, so it almost went flawlessly, but there's like a little dust particle right here. And so I think I might ask them to give me a new one. But I get to put the case in now. My favorite color. And go. I like that. Yay! And that's it. Everything's still downloading. But for the most part, I have like everything there. Just the back. And I love it. Thanks for watching. Bye.